Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down, all the way down actually, and go to System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and of course I've got gestures applied right now, but let me quickly switch to the buttons. I also wanted to show that here you've got the options connected with the buttons, so you can reorder the back button and the recents, and manage Circle to Search and Digital Assistant. So now all you have to do is to simply tap on the gestures, and now your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the gesture tutorial. So you can simply tap on Learn. I will just tap on Cancel, and usually instead of the 3 buttons you will have this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it just by tapping on this first switcher. Tap on Hide. It's totally up to you. And here you've got more options connected with the gestures, the sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. Here we've got this arrow, so you can release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.